Today's tutorial will cover how to change the logo on your statements or your invoices. I'm currently previewing an invoice with our logo in the top right. That's the QuickCheck logo. If you want a personal logo or club logo on your statements or invoices, by the way, if you want to view this video in full screen view, double-click in the center of your screen in Windows Media Player or press Alt-Enter on your keyboard for full screen view. Getting back to the logo. If you have a company logo, and I'm going to locate a different image that we can use for this example. And I'm going to go from the new QuickCheck logo back to the old one. Let's do... Okay, I'm going to copy this. Okay, what you want to do is first locate your logo. And I recommend, let me close that. I recommend going to Start, Programs, Accessories, and using Microsoft Paint to accomplish this. You will click File, Open, browse for wherever your logo might be. And in this case, I'm going to use QC Logo Box 200. QuickCheck cannot use a JPEG file for a logo, so you need to save it as a bitmap file. And you can easily do that in Windows Paint by just selecting File, Save As. A window comes up, and at the bottom it's telling you this current format of this file is JPEG. We're going to save it as a 24-bit bitmap, BMP. And we can give it the same name, QC Logo Box 200. I click Save. Now, we need to take that file. You're going to open up My Computer. Now the file we just made is in here. This is the file that I was using originally. Not the original one that's on the statement now, but what I'm trying to bring into the statement. I saved it as a bitmap file. Now I need to copy it and put it in the QuickCheck folder. And when I scroll down and look for that file, here's the current file that is used on the invoice, qclogo.bmp. Okay? So what we want to do is, if you want to delete that, you can go ahead and just right-click delete it. Right-click delete and get rid of that. Or if you want to save it, just in case you ever need to go back to it, you can just put QC Logo Old in there. The one we're switching to is the QC Logo Box 200. I'm going to rename that to QC Logo.bmp. So now this file, which is the one we saved a moment ago, should now come up on our invoices when we go ahead and preview our invoice. And there's our new QuickCheck logo in the top right. Now you can see it's a little squashed. I want to show you how to fix that so it's a nice square logo. What you can do in Microsoft Paint is click Edit, Select All. I'm going to move my logo over to the right, left, and get it really close to the edge. Then what I'm going to do is shrink the size of the picture so I get rid of all of this white area on the right. Click Image, Attributes. The size of this picture is 200 wide, it's 100 high. So it looks like if we go, let's do 105 wide and 105 high, and we'll see how that works out. Looks right on the nose. That gives us a little a little gap on the right and left. I'm going to go ahead and do a file save as this time. Instead of renaming like I did earlier, I'm just going to go to the QuickCheck folder, click on qclogo.bmp, which is the old logo, and just replace it. When it says, do you want to replace? I'll say yes. Now when we go back to our invoices, let's preview one more time. And we have a nice square logo in the top right. That's it for swapping logos on your invoices or statements. Tune in for the next webinar. Have a great day.